Mario Guy here. Today we are going to be shredding up some leaves after my grandpa started cutting some certain branches from the tree down. To recycle it, I'm using my Honda 3-speed HRR 250 TDA. I refilled it and I reset the whole road back to its position. Max's neck is also here. But don't worry, my granny and grandpa know we're out there. We're out there, so you can hear my grandpa using an electric Craftsman blower. Right. Let's start we're done. We're done with the first section, so let's start the mower. So the branches are not too thick because the thick branches may destroy the blade. So we're sharpening it somewhere. Let's just use it. Grandpa's using an electric blower right now.
Over there.
Okay. Mowing fine. But please note, I'm mowing so yes. Pops out, so whenever I just blend it up. Before we resume, this one's my push mower, which is the Great States push mower. I had this for like months, so I call this the harvester just because of its spinning blades. Let's check the bag. Ooh! Ah! Look at the bag, you guys. It's instantly full. Don't poke me with that. Ah! Oh no. Ah! That is so heavy. I need to take this to the dump station immediately. I'm gonna take this before dumping. Don't pause the video. I'm gonna start the lawnmower again.
Ah. Okay. Okay.
So, he's over there. Follow for more videos.